So in order for us to be able to connect to our LAN or to our computer through LAN, I'm going to show you how to change or to check the IP address, which is the configuration or the connection protocol to our computer, so that we can be able to connect through the same network. So we press OK. So again, okay, now it will ask for the super admin finger. So we are going to just put the finger to be able to access the menu. Once we access the menu, we are going to move to communication, this one. So we go to communication, we hit enter or okay, we access the Ethernet. So we are going to check at the IP address of our machine. This is the IP address as written, and the subnet and gateway. So this one, if you are connected to the router, if you want to connect your machine through the router to the PC, you can check the router IP address and the gateway and change. How to change this? You can be able to go or navigate to IP address, hit enter, and you can be able to change the IP as required. Then subnet, you can be able to change based on your network. Again, same as the gateway, but you don't have to change the communication port. You can opt to use DHCP, which your router will be able to assign the IP address to this gadget. Basically, we recommend putting the DHCP off so that this machine won't change the IP address, so that you can be able to access it anytime. So once you have done that, now we go to our machine and we can be able to see how we can be able to communicate through. As you can see from this IP address, this is the IP address. So we are going to check the software that we are going to use. In this case, we are going to use a ZKteco 5.0, so that we can be able to access this machine and be able to get various reports. You can have a laptop or a desktop. In this case, we are going to use a laptop. So we navigate to our software. This is our software. I hope you can see it. This software, we call it as ZKteco 5.0. That is the software. So for the first time, we are going to double click it. We say okay. So we wait for it. So for the first time, it will prompt out this connect device hint. So for the first time, when you connect the software, it will bring these hints. So you can just uncheck this to avoid to show the hints again, then press OK. So this is the interface. As you can see from the computer, this is the interface. This is how the interface looks like. So it has got 3 connection modes. It can have a serial connection, can have a serial port connection, Ethernet, and USB. So we normally use Ethernet in this case. So we are going to delete the rest. So we select, then delete, then say OK. We select the USB, we delete, and say OK. Now, as you can note from this device, the status is saying disconnected, and communication type is Ethernet, the machine number, and the name. You can be able to change them. And this is the communication mode through the Ethernet, and this is the IP address. You have to confirm from the machine itself that this is the same IP address. Then from the port, this is the port number. So we don't have to change this port number, but if you want to change anything depending on your network, we can just select it and go to our device. And when we hit device, we can be able to edit the current device. So we hit enter or OK. Then here we can be able to rename the machine if you want to. Then we want and the number of the machine. So and then you can be able to change the IP address as you want. Then we can hit OK. So that is how you can be able to access. Once we connect our device to this laptop, now it will be able to connect, and that is how you are able to connect your device to your computer PC.